Understanding, I'm in discomfort, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used English phrase, I'm in discomfort. This phrase is not just about the words but also about how it's used in various contexts. So, let's dive in and understand its meaning and usage. I'm in discomfort is a phrase used to express that someone is experiencing a mild level of physical or emotional unease or pain. It's important to note that discomfort is less intense than severe pain or distress. This phrase is often used in situations where the discomfort is noticeable but not overwhelming. Here, we'll discuss the differences between discomfort and pain. While both indicate an unpleasant sensation, discomfort is usually milder and less debilitating than pain. For example, sitting in a cramped position might cause discomfort, but a severe headache would be described as pain. In this section, we'll explore various contexts in which I'm in discomfort can be used. For instance, it can be physical, like after sitting for a long time, or emotional, like feeling uneasy in a social situation. Understanding the context is key to comprehending the exact nature of the discomfort. This part focuses on how to articulate discomfort in various scenarios. Whether it's telling a doctor about a physical issue or sharing feelings with a friend, it's important to convey discomfort clearly and effectively. Here we'll look at typical responses or actions that might follow after someone expresses discomfort. This could include offering comfort, providing a solution, or simply acknowledging the feeling. It's crucial to respond empathetically when someone says they're in discomfort. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and use of I'm in discomfort. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your English communication skills, especially in expressing and responding to feelings. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.